So I took 2 trades today. First of all, to my funded, I want to be very transparent with you. I didn't do a recap because there was nothing to recap. I just full potted my funded on gold. Yes, so my mind's definitely holding me back, even though it was 2k in profit on that funded account. Still managed to fuck this up again and again. Just wanted to transparent. I blew the funded again, so currently no funded account. Currently no funded account. Already passed 2 funded accounts. I blew them though. 2 funded accounts. This trade I took there isn't on. Well, it's on paper, as you can see down here. Just wanted to be transparent, and no one in the future can say bitch ass bitch ass was lying about all this and laughing and all that shit. I'm the most legit trading YouTuber there is in the industry, and the most transparent YouTuber in the industry. So even though I don't really in the industry now, I'm more in the in. I'm working my way up to the street currently, but in the in, not in the industry. I have to work my way still up. But yes, as I said. So top down analysis, 2 trades as I said during New York. Pretty bearish as you can see. Pretty bearish. Yes. Constantly making lower lows. Disrespecting fair gaps. Respecting bearish fair gaps as you can see on the 1 hour here. We respected this one on during London. So for me, I was kinda hin und her gerissen because we had these lows here. This one and this weekly low right here. So you can see. So after we swept this low, I was looking for longs, but if I wanted to look, I looked at since we swept sell side liquidity, I was kinda long, only long for a retracement though. So as we can see, retracement. Okay, don't look any further. But I don't know what that is. Yes, so scale down, even on the 1 minute. So first of all, as you can see, swept is high, delivered from all of these low resistance liquidity. Too good to be careless. Man, take over. Oh girl, bad. So yes, we swept this high. Let me see if this is still valid. No, so yes, I understand. So this was the first trade. I was overall bearish, because we had this low here and this low here. Overall trend was clearly bearish, and I saw no reason for us to go higher because there was literally nothing besides this 4-hour value gap up here, which was too unrealistic for us to come back to during New York, even because it's Friday. This wasn't the one I looked at. So New York opened, came delivered quite good from these highs. We came down, swept London low, instant a quite very strong bullish candle. We traced through this fair value gap. Giving me that 1 minute inversion I was looking for. I wanted to see market coming back, not to the usual flip level I go for usual, because paradise all night long. Tonight I'm gonna look in the we go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Because take profit was too close and this candle was too strong, so it didn't make sense for me to come all the way down. So I set my buy limit at the top of this fair gap. We kinda come up into the golden ratio, but wasn't enough for me because we didn't feel like we've done enough. We still had 0.786 level up here, while we have this 5 minute fair gap and the 1 minute isn't fully closed. So I still left my buy limit down here. We came back, triggered my entry, stops at this point here, high at exactly the point where I had my sell limit, highs, well, take profit here because it's the golden ratio, and I usually go for that to sell limit. So this was the first trade, 1.5. Would have made me a bit more than 1,000 with my usual risk on a funded account, just to keep that in mind. So this was the first trade. As I mentioned, because I was overall bearish, we had this move which kind of set the tone for New York. I wanted to kind of get just the retrace and enter off of here. As we can see, we have this 5 minute, 5 minute fair value gap. All night long. Inside of this, well, inside of this golden ratio was a 5 minute fair value gap, and inside of this 5 minute fair value gap and the golden ratio was this 1 minute fair value gap. So I was quite sure we will come up, but I wanted to get the full short or nothing. So I wasn't I had no FOMO at all because it's just, it happens. Um, I wouldn't be mad if I missed out on the trade. I didn't, because this level is magic. Stops above these highs, take profit down here, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In less than 10 minutes, we got a 1.3, 1.3 for whatever. Would have made me well, no, I'm sorry. This trade would have made me 750, and this trade would have made me 1500, about 1700. So closing the day with about 3 point. The fuck am I reckoning? 700 plus 750, about 2.5k. Very good trades today. I read the market perfectly. I reacted to it perfectly, in my opinion. These shorts were quite obvious because we had these drawdowns here and no reason at all to come up after we swept this high. Retrace was quite obvious, I think. And yes, so that's basically it. Stumbling in, wherever you go, wherever you need.